Hey everyone, Orion Automotive. Here we are with my boat again. Working on the stern drive. Since the last time we saw, the gears in the stern drive were all broken, messed up. Looks like he must have hit a rock, or somebody, whoever owned this before me, hit something hard, must have fractured some teeth, broke them off, ground it up. So now I have gathered a second. There's the bottom end of that alpha drive unit. There's another bottom end. This is a used one I picked up. This one I am refurbishing. Had a slight crack in the side I ground out and filled with an epoxy putty. This one also had the whole cavity in front of the shift rod here was all packed full of corrosion, which is why it split on the side. Luckily it split to the outside, not into the gear case. So I managed to clean that out and patch up that. Gonna put a new water pump on it here. And now I am working on the upper portion. So again, used upper portion, which had, of course, nothing works perfectly. So upper portion had some rusty bearings. So here I am doing what I can. So here we have the new, well, new to me, upper. Cleaned it out, leaving the bottom race in, because some of these bearings are getting hard to find. I've sourced some through my suppliers, but I couldn't get everything. So that one's waiting to accept the gear assembly, the ring and pinion, which I've just assembled here. So I've got the used pinion, which is way nicer than the old one that came out. So I managed to get two new bearing races, salvaged the bearings from the other unit, cleaned them up. This is the shaft from the other unit because it had new U-joints in it. And you can see some of the other bits. So over here on the press, I'm just putting together the ring gear with the new, here's the ring gear. I pressed on the new bearing in the bottom and just finished putting on the one from my old unit up here, because the used unit I got had pitting, heavy rust and pitting on both these bearings. This one I managed to find new. This one I couldn't, so I salvaged it from the other one. The other unit had new bearings. It was rebuilt prior to the gears grenading inside of it, so cleaned them up and, well, they'll do for now. Anyway, onwards.